Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how I inked and painted this cute little blue gloves, and for that I did use this Canson Graduate watercolor paper. This is 250 GSM and cellulose cold pressed paper. For the brushes today I used this Raphael number 8 round brush, Panart number 2 detail brush, and this no-name detail brush to do some stylizing and just finish the details with white with white paint. This is actually Art Creation all-purpose white paint. And for the watercolors today, I did use these watercolors from ZenArt, and for the colors I used warm sepia and Prussian blue. And that's all the colors I did use. So guys, without further ado, let's get to our painting. And I will be starting with inking. So with this 03, I'm just gonna go on top of the lines that I already have on my sketch. And that sketch is, guys, available for you for free to download on my Patreon page. So what you need to do is just join in my Patreon for free, and you will have the access to this sketch and all of the sketches in this winter and Christmas ornaments or illustrations series. So, and many more actually. I do have lots of free sketches on my Patreon, so you can check it out. So like that, and then I will just go on top and add some few more details, maybe just make this line a little bit thicker and make one more line like that to make it appear that that is string. And then I will just do a little bit more of the embellishment to the gloves like that, some shading. Some more details just to make it a little bit more interesting. And then the bottom part, adding a bit more ink in some spots. Like that. And I can also draw in a few details on them. Maybe some snowflakes. Just to make them a little bit more interesting. Like that. And then some shading here at the top. Like that. There you go. And then some few more details. Maybe I can drop in a couple of dots here also on the thumb part, and then this other one also just go around add in few details. And then some more. Just making this line a little bit thicker, and these adding more details, stylizing, some shading, again also at the top, like that. And I can also do some details here. You don't have to do the exactly same details on both gloves. You know, you can just make it different. They don't have to have exactly same details. Like that. I think they're now detailed enough for me. Like that. I can just do the watercolors now, and for the watercolors I will be painting them with Prussian blue, and I do need to clean my palette. A little bit of that Prussian blue, in which I will add just a tiny bit of warm sepia, just to slightly tone it down, paint in that glove, rinse my brush, add in a bit more of the Prussian blue here at the top, and also drop in a few more details like that. And then here on this thumb, drop in just a bit more. Like that. And then a little bit more of the warm sepia mixed in with that Prussian blue. Gonna paint in the other one, again same thing at the top, moving slightly down, gonna rinse my brush, and then just move that paint a bit around like that, and a little bit more of the Prussian blue. Rinse my brush and then soften also this part like that. It's so cute. And then I'm gonna get a little bit more of the warm sepia, and I'm gonna drop in few droplets with the warm sepia, paint in the cable or the string. I can actually switch to a little bit smaller brush so that I do have here like that. And then also we can just move a little bit that brownish if you want to help it bleed a bit, and mix again of those two. I'm gonna add in here on these lines, and of course you can use any color you like to paint in these gloves. You don't have to use same colors as I am. That is completely up to you guys. They don't have to be blue, or you can paint more of them. Like that. So cute. And now again, a little bit more, but this time quite watered down. And I'm gonna paint in these upper part, and then with a little bit more, just drop in here where I have those details. Gonna drop in a little bit more of the pigment. Like that. And then on the other side, same thing. Gonna use that grayish. Rinse my brush and lighter wash. I'm gonna again move it down, drop in few droplets like that, and I can get just a little bit more like that. There you go. And with this brush, I'm gonna get a little bit more and then just go around and add tiny bit of the background around, some few splatters with the blue and brown, like that. Just add a bit random background. And you know what? I think I just love it the way it is. I will add just a little bit of the Prussian blue and a little bit of the warm sepia mix. A bit more here at the corners and edges. Rinse my brush, and I can just get this bit larger brush and again soften that. There you go, and a bit more. Splatters. I'm gonna dry that, and these are now dry, and I was just thinking if I want to add a bit more of the details, I will get this ink and maybe just add a few more details, lines, just to make it maybe a little bit more visible, that ink in some spots. Now that it got covered like that. There you go, and I can get this art creation all-purpose paint and just add in a few details with white, just to make it a bit more, you know, interesting. It doesn't have to be a lot. like that. Just a couple of details. There you go. And I think that's enough. So we're done with this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, decided to give it a try. That would be awesome. And if you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it. And there is also this hype button that, you know, if you like, you can just use it. It will help this video to reach a little bit larger audience. And I would really appreciate that a lot. So if you haven't still also subscribed to my channel, check out my channel. I have many tutorials here for beginners and advanced painters, and I'm sure you will also find something for yourself. And, you know, subscribe just to maybe find your inspiration in your next painting. And don't forget the Patreon free sketch link in the description box. And that's all. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!